This video covers air conditioning condenser replacement on the 2020 through 2022 Shelby GT500. My condenser was all beat up from track usage affecting airflow and cooling. This can happen on street cars, it's just accelerated on track cars. Don't forget you get cost plus 10% on all OEM Ford parts at Middleton Ford with the discount code. A closer look at my air conditioning condenser. This is the lower portion below the bumper, and this is where the majority of the damage was. The damage is from pebbles, rocks, rubber bits flying off of cars ahead of me. This area above the bumper was also damaged. It's not as extensive as below the bumper. Here's a look at the applicable workshop manual pages. I got the air conditioning condenser from Middleton Ford and then drove my car down to Pep Boys because they have the ability to vacuum, evacuate the system, and then recharge it. This is the condenser removed from my car. You can see the bottom portion there is heavily damaged. And then also the portion above the center black bumper cover is also damaged, but the worst of the damage was on the bottom section. Pep Boys removed the damaged condenser and put in the new one. They then vacuumed out the system and recharged it. But full disclosure, this fitting here did not get tightened properly. I ended up seeing a leak on my floor the next day. So I got out the workshop manual, tightened it to spec, and then went back down there. They had to evacuate the system again and recharge it one more time. Well, that'll do it for the air conditioning condenser replacement. Thanks for watching. See you next time.